morning. My name is Hardik Gupta and I am from class 7C. Today I am going to show you my science project. The name of my project is AILCV. A. Artificial, I. Intelligence, L. Low, C. Carbon, V. Vehicle. Artificial Intelligence Low Carbon Vehicle. The theme of my project is reduce our carbon footprint, make it easier to reuse, make transportation system more durable and safer to environment. AILCV will only work on lithium-ion batteries and will move on specific track with less friction. That will increase the average of the vehicle and it will also be more safer and durable. These lithium-ion batteries will also help to reduce carbon footprint as they will emit less pollution in the environment. These batteries can be reusable as we can charge it again and again. Let's see how it functions. This is Arduino board. This is the main component of this whole vehicle. This is motor shield. When we will flip it, we can see two rear wheels, two motors, one battery holder with 6 lithium batteries, one caster wheel and 2 IR sensors, which are also called infrared sensors. These infrared sensors are attached to motor shield through wires. Now let's see how it will function. When these two IR sensors will detect the differences between the ground and the part, they will give the information to motor shield and the motor shield will ask what to do next through Arduino board and then give back the information or the command to the motors to run. And this process will go on and on. Now let's see how it will function. All this function will only be possible by this code. This code is done by me and totally by myself. Now, then when we have done the code, then we have to upload the code to this Arduino board through this USB cable. Now let's see how it functions. This is a low friction track. It will consume less energy as compared to normal track. When we will start the car, it will start moving because the sensor is not detecting anything and it will only not detect anything when it is on ground. But if the both sensors are on a path, that are these white lines are the path and this black area is a ground. When these sensors will detect white lines, it will stop moving because they have reached their destination. Like this. But if right sensor detected, so it means the path have to go to the right. Then the right motor will stop and the left motor will start. Like this. Now this right sensor has detected white line, so this right motor has stopped and this left motor is working. The same will be with the left. When left sensor will detect, the left motor will stop and right motor will move like this. Now left motor have detected, so left motor will stop and right motor will move. Now let's see how it functions. Now it is detecting only ground. Now right sensor is detecting the line, the path. sensors detected that there is a white background. So it is reached their destination. The same will be when we will do reverse. The path is the same, so it will move the same way to the other spot. At last, I would like to say, in all over the world in future, all diesel petrol car should be replaced by AILCV vehicles so that there will be less pollution in the environment and our environment would be safe for all the people living in this earth. Then and it also be safer when we will use these vehicles on less friction track, as the efficiency will increase, the safety will increase, as well as the rate of accident will decrease, so that we can all live safely in our mother earth.